The new RC450 has generated plenty of excitement since its debut, marking KTM's entry into the increasingly competitive mid-capacity sport bike segment. Developed specifically for the Chinese market, the fully fared motorcycle combines lightweight construction, strong performance, premium hardware, and a comprehensive electronics package, making it one of the most capable machines in its class. Powering the RC450 is a 449.5cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces 56 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 40 Newton-meters of torque at 8,000 RPM. The engine features an 8-valve DOHC layout with an 11.5:1 compression ratio, allowing the bike to achieve a claimed top speed of 195 kilometers per hour. Weighing just 168 kilograms, the RC450 boasts an excellent power-to-weight ratio, promising quick acceleration and agile handling. The motorcycle is built around a chromium moly steel trellis frame paired with a striking single-sided aluminum swing arm, giving it both structural rigidity and a premium appearance. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable WP components, including 43mm upside-down front forks and a preload and rebound adjustable rear monoshock. Braking performance comes from a 320mm front disc with 4 piston calipers and a 240mm rear disc, supported by cornering ABS with Supermoto mode for enhanced rider confidence. KTM has also equipped the RC450 with an impressive list of electronic rider aids. The bike features a Bosch lean-angle adaptive control system, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, cruise control, multiple riding modes including street, rain, sport, and an optional track mode, as well as a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. A full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity comes as standard, while buyers can also opt for heated grips and a tire pressure monitoring system. Completing the package are an 810mm seat height, an optional lower 795mm seat, a 14-liter fuel tank, and 17-inch wheels wrapped in sporty 110/70 front and 150/60 rear tires. Interestingly, the RC450 is based on the CF Moto 450SR platform, but receives several KTM-specific upgrades. It is lighter, slightly more powerful, and comes with revised chassis components and a more comprehensive electronics package, giving it a distinct identity despite its shared foundation. Despite its impressive specifications, the RC450 is unlikely to be offered outside China. KTM's collaboration with CF Moto is limited to the Chinese market, making it difficult to position this motorcycle globally. Furthermore, importing the bike as either a completely built unit or a CKD kit would significantly increase its price, reducing its competitiveness in international markets. Instead, KTM's long-term focus is expected to be on an entirely new parallel twin platform being developed in partnership with Bajaj Auto. Designed specifically for global markets, this new platform aims to deliver the performance of a twin-cylinder motorcycle while keeping production costs under control. Manufacturing in India would allow KTM to price these motorcycles competitively across Southeast Asia, Europe, and several other key markets. Rather than producing a single model, the new 490 platform is expected to underpin an entire family of motorcycles, similar to KTM's highly successful 390 lineup. Although KTM has yet to officially announce a launch schedule, current expectations point towards a global unveiling of the new 490 platform by the end of 2026, with production models likely arriving in international markets during 2027. While the China-exclusive RC450 showcases KTM's ability to build a lightweight, high-performance middleweight sport bike packed with premium features, it is the upcoming 490 parallel twin platform that will ultimately shape the brand's future worldwide. If KTM and Bajaj can deliver the right combination of performance, refinement, technology, and competitive pricing, the 490 family has the potential to become the company's next major success story in the global mid-capacity motorcycle segment.